Good morning, grade 2. Our lesson for today is about the parts of a book. What is a book? A book is pages and words. A book is animals, people, and birds. A book is stories of queens, poems and songs, so many things. Curled in a corner where I can hide. In a book, I can journey far and wide. Though it is only paper from end to end, a book is a very special friend. We go now to the parts of the book. Front cover. When you hold the book close facing you, you will find the title of the book, the illustration, the author, and the illustrator. The title signifies a main topic of a certain book. Illustration means it is a drawing or pictures in the book. And the author is a writer of the book. And the illustrator is the one who draws the pictures in the book. The title page. The title page open to the first page with the author and title. It includes the title, the publisher, the illustration, the author, and the illustrator. The book also have the copyright page. When you turn the title page over, you will see the copyright page that includes the dedication, the publication information, and the copyright date. Then the table of contents. The table of contents is a list of the chapters or sections, pages given at the front of a book. Next is the text pages. This is the first page of the story in all the ones that follow. It includes text and illustrations. And also we have the back cover. It is a back part of a book. Also part of the book is spine. Spine hold the book closed so that the smooth skinny edge faces you. It includes in the spine the author, the illustrator, the title, and the publisher. Okay, let us try. These are the part of the books: the front cover, the spine, the copyright page, the title, the illustrator, the ISBN, the back cover, the title page, the text pages, the author, the illustration, and the table of contents. Thank you, grade 2, for listening. See you again. God bless.